In this video, I'm going to be showing you business ideas that you can do when it comes to children. The next thing I'm going to talk about is just for you to make books. You can make good books for children, just little books that they can read. They are very lucrative. People are looking for new books, new ideas of what their children can read every time. My own house is full of books and I keep buying. You can't buy enough. If you see a new one, you buy. If you see another new one, you buy. You just want the children to read and to have ideas of new stories, learn new things, and parents are ready to buy if they see good ones. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is to start a club for children. I did a little bit of it, and it's not actually um, for business. It's something to do with gospel. I just did like a Bible club, and I noticed that people came in my area. I just invited little children, and they were coming. So if I wanted to do like a club for children where they will learn how to swim or learn how to cook, exercise, or do a bit of taekwondo, or want to do martial arts, or want to do different things that children would like to do, activities. And if you open a club, I'm sure parents are ready. There are so many parents that are out there ready for their children to go out every Saturday, even if it's just for 2 hours, to learn new things. So people are ready. So it's a good business, and you can actually start doing that, and it doesn't cost anything. It's just for you to have a space, that's all. The next thing I'm going to talk about is to create games. Create games for children. Children, if you notice that children are just into television or games or watching just on the computer or on their phones. But if you create games for them, games that are interesting, that can take them away from the TV and all that, I'm sure parents appreciate it and they will buy for their children. So many parents are wondering how they will get their children off the computer for a while and get them to do something that they will do with the family. So if you're able to create a good game, I mean, it's a good thing. I've seen someone that have created like a puzzle for kids, and I think it's a very, very good idea. So if you have that flair, you can actually create something that children will do. Another idea that I've seen that I think will be very good for children is to create events, create holidays, events or trips for children. So many families want their children to have a treat during the holidays. After they've gone for summer school, they want them to do some other things. And so many parents, they don't even have, maybe they don't even, they can't travel, or maybe if some can travel, but so many people are not traveling. So if they can have like a safe trip, they know that it's safe, and they know that their children are safe, and you can create something nice for them, not too far away from home, just something that will make them to feel as if they've done or gone for a trip. I'm sure parents will appreciate that. It's a very good business if you can actually create trips or holidays for children. The next one I'm going to talk about is the one that I know everybody does. It's even me, and it's children's clothing. One thing about parents is that we can never ever have enough. And then our children grow. They grow so fast, so that within 6 months there might be a need to overhaul their wardrobe all over again. So parents are continually buying clothes for children. If you sell children clothes, there is no way you will sell them. And especially if you have your own market, if you create your own market, and they know that you sell good things, honestly, you'll sell. And it's so easy. I have tried and I've test drive, and I know that it's easy to sell. If they know you and you have a good location, they will come. People will come and they'll buy from you. It's a good business. Another business that you can do is back to school. It is seasonal. You can actually make your business, that business, seasonal. You can decide that, okay, you are selling children's things that is for back to school. So every time, so that means you sell like 3 or 4 times in a year. Every time the children are going back to school, you always have something. And if families or parents or people know that every time that school is school time, maybe after summer or after Easter or after Christmas, every holiday, that you always have something for children for back to school, or something to sell, that will, as per back to school. Or you just make that brand so that it will be just back to school. People will come for you. People will know that, okay, my son or my children are going back to school. They're going back to school in summer. After summer, I need to get things. The best person to go to is this person, and they'll go there. Straight, they'll come to you. So that is also a very good business for you to do. And another thing that I would also say here is for children is tutoring. If you know how to teach, it's good business, because of course everybody wants extra blessings for their children. If you are good with children and you know how to teach, and you can teach children, you are very patient, you're loving, it's a good business for you. You can never, it's very lucrative. You are the one that will say, oh, I'm not doing it anymore, because parents are looking for people that would help them with their kids. So it's actually a good business. And this one you can actually do, you can do it online, you can do it offline, and you can also do it with going one-on-one with the children. So it's a good business. You cannot not go wrong with the teaching. So you cannot go wrong with teaching. So that's another idea if you are good with children. And I'm sure for teaching, you don't have to be have education, or a degree in education, to be able to teach children. If you are good at the subject and love children and you know how to teach children, you are good to go. So I think all you need to just to prove yourself to the parent that you can do it. And if you do it and the children are responding and doing well, yeah, that's it. So these are my ideas of businesses that you can do when it comes to children. And that if you have any other business that you think that we can do when it comes to our children, leave it in the comment section. Please let other people learn from you, because we all work here to learn. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the like button. If you have not seen my business, the last one I did as per the business ideas concerning insurance, you need to go and watch that. And if you have not seen how the video I did on how to write your business plan, or how to organize yourself, or how to work from home, and you need to go and watch that as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again, and don't forget to click the like button. Click the notification bell so you will know when I upload new videos. And please share to friends and family once again. Thanks for watching, and remain blessed. Bye.